Ready to get your haircut? We survived the haircut, and it looks freaking awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna take a few minutes and breathe. No. That was, I can't even like speak. I'm like sweating. If I wasn't speaking from the heart before this, I will 100% speak from the heart now on the haircut box. They were pretty quick. They were super nice. They were like, can we help with your kids? Like, would a sucker help? The kids were like jumping off the chairs and they were loud, and we were the only kids in there, and trying to like pick Jett up and like get him happy. And every time I'd pick him up, he'd arch his back and scream, so I'd have to put him down. The haircut is really cool. If you are wanting to go through what I just went through, be my guest. I want to show you the time though. We are already 1 hour and 3 minutes. Still have to drive home